GTA 6 just got delayed to 2026. Rockstar's apologized, but fans are losing it. Stick with GadInsider to find out why and what's next. What's up, gaming fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. On May 2nd, 2025, Rockstar Games dropped a bombshell. Grand Theft Auto 6 is pushed back to May 26, 2026, missing its fall 2025 target. Let's unpack the delay, why it's happening, and what it means for the most hyped game ever. Rockstar announced GTA 6's new release date, May 26, 2026 for PS5 and Xbox Series X and S. Originally set for fall 2025, the delay adds months to the wait. In a statement, Rockstar said, "We're very sorry this is later than you expected," citing the need for extra time to deliver the quality fans deserve. The game set in Leonida, a Florida-inspired open world with Vice City, and follows Lucia and her partner in a Bonnie and Clyde-style crime saga. But with no new trailer since December 2023, fans are frustrated. X-Posts are calling it a gut punch. Why the delay? Rockstar is aiming for perfection. GTA 6 is expected to be the biggest entertainment launch ever. Take-Two's CEO Strauss Zelnick supports the move, saying it'll ensure a groundbreaking experience. But whispers of trouble started last year with a mandatory return to office work, sparking developer concerns. A massive 2022 leak showed early footage proving the game's ambition, but also its unfinished state. With a rumored $2 billion budget, Rockstar's not risking bugs or backlash. They want to top GTA 5's $200 million sales. What's next? Rockstar teased more info soon, possibly at Take-Two's May 15th earnings call. A second trailer could drop to ease the sting. For now, replay GTA 5 or check out other 2025 hits like Borderlands 4, which moved to September to dot GTA's shadow. Summer Game Fest in June might bring updates too. Follow GadInsider for the latest GTA 6 news and leaks to stay in the loop. That's the lowdown on GTA 6's delay, GadInsider fam. Are you bummed or cool with waiting for a polished game? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and share this video to keep the gaming hype alive.